are the Envirocloth, which is our heavy duty household cleaning cloth. Yes, you can replace so many things with just this one cloth, which I'm about to show you actually. And then also the window cloth. The window cloth is your polishing cloth. So when you are cleaning a shiny surface like a faucet, a window, mirror, all the things, and it has a shiny surface, you're going to follow up after the Envirocloth with your window cloth. The Envirocloth is used wet with water alone, and the window cloth is used dry. That's, again, your polishing cloth. So this is the first basic set. This colorway is called Leaves, and then the basic set also comes in this very pretty colorway. So it's our graphite with amethyst trim Envirocloth, and then the window cloth, which is amethyst with the graphite trim. We also have a window mitt, which is pretty awesome. I'll use this in the video as well. This can be used in lieu of the window cloth. It gets the same result. The thing I like about this is that I have full control. There's a seam down the middle, so I can get in all the nooks and crannies, you know, like down in the crevice of your windshield, right? That tiny little area that's so hard to clean. I use this everywhere, all my shiny surfaces. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you a lot of different ways that I use the Envirocloth and window cloth and really what makes it special. Why is the Envirocloth special and I guess superior, right, to some of this kind of stuff? So what I didn't know for like 30 years is that disinfectants, anything that says it can kill like 99.9% of bacteria, disinfectants are registered with the EPA as pesticides because of the chemical compounds and the effects on our health. The back of the bottle, which I never read, I literally was the walking oxymoron. I was buying healthy food, organic produce, and then I would just come home and smear my entire house with this stuff, and it smelled clean, right? But what I didn't know is how toxic a lot of this stuff was, and that it was leading to several health issues that we were having as a family. I mean, literally in bold print, it says, hazardous to humans and domestic animals. Never read that. Okay, so why is the Envirocloth great? It replaces all your counter sprays, your disinfectant sprays, wipes, kitchen cleaners, the soap scum cleaners, you name it. The Envirocloth is special for 3 reasons. You just get it wet with water to use it. And it has extremely tiny fibers. So traditional microfiber that you might find on Amazon or in the store, the size of that fiber is 1/6 of a human hair. Sounds small, right? Sounds like a pretty bad split end. But Norwex microfiber is 1/200th of a human hair. A lot of tiny little helpers when we're going around cleaning with our Envirocloth. Now the fibers, the second thing that makes it special is the fibers are star-shaped. And why that's important is that when we're cleaning with our Envirocloth, it creates a capillary effect, sucks everything up into the cloth. So we're talking your grease, your grime, your dirt, and 99% of bacteria. And you're physically removing what's on the surface with your Envirocloth. Compared to when you're cleaning with chemicals, you're applying a chemical onto the surface and then using that to disinfect or remove what's there. So chemical cleaning, and then this is mechanically cleaning. So when I'm cleaning my house, I mean, it's literally so easy. I literally just take my Envirocloth, and you know how hard granite is to clean, right? So when I'm cleaning, sorry, I had to move my phone down. So when I'm just cleaning my granite, I'll just nice and flat, use my Envirocloth, and then I will take the window cloth, which is our polishing cloth. You want to use this dry. I'll take my window cloth and follow behind it whenever I'm cleaning a shiny surface. Okay, now we're going to clean another big problem in the house. If you have stainless, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you have kids or pets or a spouse, you really know what I'm talking about. So stainless is a pain in the neck, and stainless steel cleaners are full of even more toxins, and that we don't want to breathe in or touch because they absorb into our skin those toxic chemicals within 26 seconds. So I'm going to take my Envirocloth and window cloth and literally do this in seconds. So nice, you want the Envirocloth nice and flat as you're cleaning. Look how fast it removes all that stuff. Get the other side. And what I love about the Envirocloth, it doesn't transfer. So what I clean from one side won't transfer to the other side. Get that hard water off of there, the fingerprints and nasty bacteria off the handle because I'm a boy mom. All right, then I'm gonna take my window cloth. Woo, so quick and easy, you guys. Get the handle nice and shiny. I mean, honestly, this is major game changer. And I mean, not only does it work great, it works so much better, it also has saved me a ton of money because I used to buy like a product for this, a product for stainless, a product for granite, a product for windows. I can just use this for all of it. Let's keep going. Let's talk windows. Do I have any fur moms in the group? You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Here's my back door. This is literally the door that my dog goes to when he wants in or out. So I've got some nose prints, all the things, right? Nasty. And then there's an equal amount on the inside. So same thing. I'm gonna grab your, whoops. I'm a novice here. So grab your Envirocloth, clean it, nice and flat. Just get all of that surface. All right, and then you're gonna take your window cloth, grab that baby, and go over it for a streak-free shine. Now I need to get both sides because he really did a number on this window. Worth it though, right? Our fur babies can be a little pain in the neck. So now let's get the outside. Got my Envirocloth back. So we've got, there's those stains and marks. So same thing, Envirocloth. And you would do the same thing, the same process on your window or mirrors. All right, got our window cloth. I mean, I'm not even joking when I say I clean 90% of my home with these two cloths. All right, now we have a beautifully, look at that, spot-free, my favorite, which will probably only be like that a couple hours, but look how fantastic that looks. Last thing I'm gonna show you is a bathroom mirror. This mirror is dirtier than it looks on that quick glance. I'm gonna turn my camera around and I'm gonna show you another option you have for using your window cloth. Okay, we could use our Envirocloth and window cloth, but I don't really think this mirror is like that bad. So I'm gonna just take a spray bottle of water. So let me get this wet. And I'm just misting it, right? And I'm gonna put on our new window mitt, which is awesome. So we're just going to, and I love how easy this is. Like so much control. We get that little extra. I actually sprayed this quite a bit. So I'm gonna flip it over where it's drier, all right? And we're going to just make this easy peasy. So nice, like so nice. All right, let's see what we got left. Look at the difference. How great. I think I might have missed a spot. Oh yeah, there we go. How nice. And then this side I haven't wiped yet, but let's go ahead and do that. Hey guys. So easy. And I just like using the mitt when I don't have a lot going on. So thank you for watching this video.